are you getting me?
Turn this way. We were at Raging River this morning. It's really cold. It's like 5 degrees. No, that's 32 or so. Still pretty cold. You ready to head up?
Yeah.
Get out of my face! Rattlesnake Mountain? Yeah, it's this one. That's the hiking trail. Go ahead and go, guys. There'll be another fire road when you guys get there. Just wait. Jake took off on my evil. I think he just said it's way easier to climb. Big wheels and eagle gear. I guess that'll do it. The crew. I don't think the video will do this justice. This is pretty amazing. All the homies right there.
Wait. You're good. You ready? You're good. Yep.
Got that toe engaged. He's gonna get to the top and be like, I don't see what the big deal was, guys. Whew. Wow.
Well, he wasn't like, he was just kind of dirty.
How cold are you? How cold are you? Ready to get down there for the sun?
But I want one for a pet.
I'm super easy here.
Alright, we get on my bike, homie.
Here we went. I'll follow all of them.
No, you will go down.
Dad, follow Cruz.
Mine might be going at the back. Son of a gun. Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Dad, grab your frame and pull it out.
It got really cold up here is the problem.
Yeah. That's how it's down at all.
Dang it.
I'm gonna go last.
Well, oh God, nope. I can't jump because my seat is way too high. Oh, so wet. Whew. Still cold, bud?
Yeah, that was so much fun.
Yeah, it was cool.
I don't think I blinked that entire time down.
Yeah?
Yeah, like my eyes were like so dry.
All right, go, 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 go. Don't look at me. Oh, nice, dude. All right, don't let me catch you. I'm so much better than the last time I was here. You got it, you got it, you got it. Nice. Oh, you're fine, keep going. Nice, way to save it.
Good job.
I'm gonna try staying. Jake, you seen on me?
I did crash that. Ready? My fingers feel good still.
Jake, race speed. Kelly, you going or here we go? Oh, go, bud, go. I'll follow you, homie.
Okay.
Whoa, that turns. Hey, you want to follow me down in a second?
Sure.
Hey. You good? Here, hold on. I want to go first. Follow me, Jake.
Ryder.
with your feet?
No. Made it to the bottom. Made it to the bottom. That was fun.
You're sweating.
You still cold, homie?
So, I don't know if you can see that, but that's hundreds and hundreds of cars. And there's probably definitely 100 going up and down. It's insane. Welcome back to Eating Foods with Jake, part 2. Today, we're going to my pizza.
What?
Take the mask off. All right, Eating Food with Jake's. It's almost done. We got a drink. Oh, I think you know what's next. Blah.
Yours, dude.
No, I like his. Woo! Magic.
Look, I got the chicken, bacon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pizza. Eating Food with Jake.
Well, look, is nearing the end of Eating Foods with Jake.
Oh, yeah.
Now, we feast.
Jake's being a hoodlum. I should come over closer.
Too much fun.
Is it? Looks like a lot of fun.
Let's do one more run.
One more run? Just one more run. Yeah, you're acting like a BMX rider right now. Jake, there's people. So sorry.
I think I saw a cop around here, so.
All right. Okay, let's put it away. Come on. Hoodlum. Right, Jake?
Oh, the tiniest window ever. This is how we load our bikes. All right.
Yeah, you're way up in there.
That was the end
So now that's the end.
You have
of Foods with Jake.
Oh God, my hat.
It's a new segment.
My hat. There we go.
It's a new segment.
Cut. No. Okay. Back.
Done with Ragey River, and we headed over to Duthie, and it's almost 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and it is still a madhouse here on Saturday. Kind of crazy. This is kind of crazy. That was pretty sick, dude. Got a camera Keller. Camera guy. Professional camera guy. Amateur. Go flat, go flat. Yeah. Oh, it didn't work. Didn't work.
I didn't lean back enough. Oh man.
Whip it real good.
Ooh.
Oh, nice.
Yoo-hoo! That's his first time. First time.
Dad, did you see my whip on the second one?
I did.
That was fun.
You're a madman.
I think. Whoa. All right. Super dark. Had a fun day at Duthie, but hope you guys enjoyed that video. And I'll see you guys next time.